Okay, it's time for lunch. And I decided it's 12:33, see my clock? And I've got 8 ounces, a little bit more than 8 ounces of water. I'm gonna take a scoop of strawberry shake and a scoop of chocolate shake. I'm gonna take 7 ice cubes, because that's what I like. And then, oh, I've gotta put the phone down, hang on. So I'm gonna put the lid on. Back. Here's my new Ninja blender. Turn it on. Whoops, not in there yet. Oh, there it clicked. So I hit and it's going to blend it for me. And how long did that take? I usually walk away. I go in the other room while this is blending. It's loud. Sometimes I put some strawberries in. Or maybe some banana. I love the clock when it says 1, 2, 3, 4. You like it? The clock says 1, 2, 3, 4. There's lunch. So I'm going to take this lid off. I got to put this down again. Hold on. Unscrew that blender lid. I'm going to put on the other lid and stick a straw in it. And there is my lunch. So you guys have a fantastic day. That's 200 and less than 250 calories of awesomeness. A lot of protein, which is what I'm doing, is protein pacing. I am using something called the Prize method to get in shape and get my weight where I want it to be again. And a lot of protein is the key. So this is my lunch protein. If you want to try some, holler at me. I'll hook you up. Bye.